Okay, the first number 10 skied it over. Let's see how the second number 10 can do. That's my boy.
Aquí puedo grabar video.
Okay, that was the first.
Did he really just kiss? Go like this.
Who did that?
That other kid.
After he scored?
Yeah.
Huh.
You can't see?
I can see, but I'm just looking at it in the little screen, so.
Oh, come on, just.
Why is he running so?
I don't know. Woo! Judges!
See, I get choked up when Julian makes a penalty.